Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G34 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change aspect ratio for photo taken through your camera in your phone Moto G34. First of all, open camera in your phone and keep on photo. Here you will see aspect ratio. Okay, click here and you can see aspect ratio. As of now it is in 3:4. You can choose 1:1. This is square shape for using it in for using photos in Instagram. You can choose 1:1. Okay, for perfect aspect ratio for YouTube you can choose 9:16. So in this way you can easily switch between three aspect ratio provided here. Okay, you can also use full screen. If you click on the last one, it will be in the full screen. Okay, full screen of your phone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.